Whoa, what's up, guys? This is Chris, if you didn't notice, with the sunglasses and the hat. Uh-oh, gotta fix the hair. Crazy. Today, September 30th, social studies. We're going to do some See, Think, Wonder. You've probably done this in first grade or kindergarten or maybe even before that. Um, this activity has two things. Two. First one is a Padlet. So let's check that one out first. So I'm going to click on Padlet, and with the Padlet, you will be brought to a map that looks similar to this. Should look exactly like this. Maybe some more pins. What I want you guys to do is we are going to first talk about what we see. Only things you see, not what you know about or what you have questions about, just what you see. So when I'm looking at this, I see a lot of blue. Okay, now I want to tell my teacher about it. So you can do it two ways. You can click it here, and I could search for what would I search for? I don't know. So actually, I should grab and drop this pin anywhere I want. So I'm thinking blue. I see lots of blue, especially here. So I put it down. It's just a bunch of numbers. So I'm going to delete that and write my name, Chris. Now I'm going to use those words. I see there is a lot of blue. And then I click out, and there is my pin. You'll notice that it's in white. But for what I see, I want you to make sure that it's red. Things that you see are red. So I go to the triple dot and go to red. There is my C. It's in red now. So whenever somebody looks at this, they can quickly find what we see. And now the next one, what I think. So what I think is usually what I know about, or what I think I know about. And I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure. I think Russia is the biggest country. So I could do it two ways. I could click that and write Russia and click it, or I could just drag and drop. So Russia. I'm going to put my name first and use those words. I think. I think Russia is the biggest country in the world. That's what I think. I can click out. Now, dots for what I think is green. So now I have the green pin right there. Something that I think I know. The last one is what I wonder. What do I wonder? Those are the questions I have with this map. What I wonder. Well, I wonder what this line is. I wonder what all these lines are. I wonder what all these islands are actual countries, or is it one country? I wonder if Greenland is really this big. So I'm going to pick that first one I said. I wonder about that line. So add a post. I'm going to drag it. Let's put it right here, right in the middle. Boom. I can pick. Am I trying to pin the Atlantic Ocean or a bunch of numbers? It doesn't matter which one. Okay? You can choose. So I'm just going to pick the random numbers, delete all that. Title, my name. I wonder what this dotted line means or represents. What does it represent? If I hit the triple dot here, though, it's a bunch of different stuff. We're not triple dotting that one. Once you're done with it, click out, triple dot, and purple for I wonder. Okay, so I did those three things here. My C, my think, let me even highlight it, my C in red, my think in green, my wonder in purple. If you want to add more, you can add more. Now, one last thing I want to show on Padlet, if I accidentally make a mistake, I don't want to use that. If you click out, a lot of times it's going, well, it didn't save, but say I clicked there and I made a mistake, I clicked it, now it's there and it's just kind of random. I don't want this. If you made a mistake, try and delete it. Delete. See you later. So it doesn't confuse us. So that was part one of today's activity. Let's move on to part two. So part two, we want to add response. We are going to take a photo of something that we can connect with location maps or globes in our house or outside of our house. Something that connects with this unit. Well, I have 2 photos that I took from a book in my home that I'm staying at right now. So I'm going to upload those photos. It's a travel book. So it's a travel book. This is connected with a map. It's connected with location. I'm going to do this similar to our first activity. I see, I think, I wonder, but with my own personal picture. So what are the things that I see on here? Well, I see that there's a red line going up and down. That could be my C. I see a red line going up and down. Make sure that it fits and looks nice. Okay, I think this is a map of somewhere near the ocean because I noticed the picture is with a lot of water. Wow, you can't see it, so I really need to move this. Move. No, move. There we go. It's kind of frustrating sometimes, isn't it? So that's my think. And now my wonder. I wonder who would use this kind of book. That's my wonder. Okay. Those are 2 things. First is Padlet. Second is I see, think, wonder on a photo that you can connect with location or maps or globes. Chris, signing out. Looking forward to those maps. Looking forward to seeing what you see and think and wonder. Have a wonderful Wednesday. Peace.